Hello everyone, I am Shadasharao and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn how to connect with IDS server by using Type-3 driver, JDBC Type-3 driver. Now here the Type-3 driver, a three-tier approach is used to access the database. The JDBC clients use it to standard network sockets to communicate with the middleware application servers. The socket informations is then translated by the middleware application servers into the call format required by the database management systems and forwarded to the database servers. This kind of drivers is extremely flexible since it requires number of code installed on the clients, and a single driver can actually provides access to a multiple databases. You can think you can think of the application server as a JDBC proxy, meaning that it makes a calls for the client applications. As a result, you need to some knowledge of the application server configurations in order to effectively use this driver type. Your application server might use a type 1 or a type 2 or a type 4 drivers to communicate with a database. Understanding the nuisance will prove helpful. See here, first, the type 3 driver first interacted with the that particular servers, middleware servers. The middleware server is interacted with the, it may be a type 1 or type 2 or type 4 drivers. These are interacted with the database and do the whatever operations you are asking. Now here I am using the IDS server. IDS server is the middleware server. IDS server is the middleware server to use to connect with the database. IDS server is a small middleware server created by the IDS software. It along with the IDS server, IDS driver will be provided, and it is a type 3 JDBC driver. IDS driver connect a Java program with IDS server, and IDS server contains a predefined applications which uses the type 1 driver to connect with the database. Here, the following are the connection properties need to follow the IDS driver. The driver class name is ids.sql.IDSDriver. The URL is jdbc colon ids colon localhost colon 12 slash conn connection object conn question mark dsn is equal to dsn name. We need to configure all those things in the IDS server. Now I can show how it practically works. Now this is the program to connect with the whatever you want a particular database by using the IDS server. In this IDS server, I'm creating first, I'm loading the class by using the class.forName. The class.forName is used to load your class at the compile runtime. After that, I'm creating a connection object by using driver manager dot get connection. In this driver manager dot get connection, it takes the URL. Here, this URL jdbc colon ids colon double slash localhost colon 12 slash conn colon dsn is equal to access dsn. Now, here access dsn may be IDA server connected with a type 1 driver or type 2 driver or type 4 driver. Previously, I am created the access dsn in my system. In that access dsn, how to create the access dsn? If you want to create the access dsn, go to the start menu, control panel, and select the administrative tools. After selecting the data source name, in the data source name, we need to select the Microsoft Access driver and select the double click on Microsoft Access driver and give the domain name source access dsn and select your but whatever you are created data source, whatever you are created database by using the access ms Microsoft Access. Now see here clearly type 3 driver can interact with maybe type 1 or type 2 or type 4. Now after that I'm creating a statement by using the connection object connection reference dot create statement. After that, I'm executing the query by using the I'm executing the create query on that particular MX access database. Now I'm inserting the rows into that particular MX access database. After that, I'm closing the connection. I'm closing the statement and another closing the connection. This is regarding about how to connect the MS Access database by using IDS server with Type-3 driver.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.